Start with intent. Before you begin, ask yourself, what do I want to express? Even in abstraction, clarity of intention shapes the choices you make, whether it's emotion, rhythm, movement, or mystery. Balance without symmetry. Abstract art thrives on visual tension and harmony. You don't need perfect symmetry, but you do need balance through color distribution, size of shapes, or direction of lines. A balanced composition feels intentional, not chaotic. Focal point or visual anchor. Even in abstract art, our eyes need a place to land. A strong shape, a bold color, or a contrasting texture can act as an anchor. This gives viewers something to hold on to as they explore the rest of your work. Use of white space or negative space. Don't underestimate the power of empty areas. Negative space can give breathing room, elevate the focal elements, and bring elegance. In abstraction, silence is as powerful as the strokes. Color harmony and contrast. Colors create mood and guide the eye. Limit your palette for cohesion or use complementary contrasts to energize your composition. Make intentional choices, whether you want to soothe, excite, or provoke. Shape and line relationships. Shapes carry emotional weight. Sharp angles may feel energetic or harsh. Curves feel organic and soft. Lines create rhythm, movement, and structure. Consider how they relate and interact within the space. Texture and surface quality. Whether it's through thick paint, scratch marks, or smooth glazes, texture adds a tactile dimension. It invites viewers to not only see your painting, but to feel it with their eyes. All layering and depth. Layers can suggest time, complexity, or memory. Use glazes, overlapping shapes, or transparency to create depth. Think of your painting as a history of marks, not just a single moment. Movement and flow. Guide your viewer's eye across the canvas. Use repetition, directional strokes, or gradients to create flow. Good movement keeps the viewer engaged, moving through the painting like a visual journey. Unity with variety. Keep a sense of cohesion through color, rhythm, or repeating forms, but avoid monotony. Introduce variety in size, texture, direction, or spacing. It's the dance between unity and contrast that makes abstract composition sing. Scale and proportion. Big, bold shapes dominate, small ones whisper. Play with scale to create drama, quiet, or imbalance. A single oversized shape in a sea of small ones can create an emotional punch. The edge control. Hard edges grab attention. Soft edges fade. In abstract art, playing with edge sharpness can direct focus, suggest form, or create atmosphere. Intuition meets design. Abstract composition is not just randomness, it's an elegant balance between spontaneity and structure. Trust your instincts, but also step back and analyze. Squint, rotate, pause. Let intuition and analysis dance together. Emotional resonance. Finally, ask yourself, does it feel complete? Does it say something? A powerful abstract composition doesn't just look good. It stirs something. It feels alive. When form, color, and energy align, your art speaks.